everyone! Today I am going to make a classic braised crucian carp for you.
Let's first take a look at this fresh crucian carp.
The first step in cleaning the fish is to use a knife to scrape off the scales. Be gentle with your technique and don't apply too much force.
Next, cut open the fish belly and remove the innards. Remember to also remove the gills to avoid any fishy smell. After cleaning, make a few cuts on both sides of the fish. This way, it will absorb the flavors better and be easier to fry. Marinating is very important. Rub on salt and pepper, then pour some cooking wine. This can remove the fishy smell and enhance the flavor.
In a hot pan with cold oil, add the fish when the oil is 60% hot. Wait before flipping it. Let the fish skin set before turning.
Take it out after the surface is golden brown.
Look at this fish skin, golden and crispy. It's perfect. Leave some oil in the pan, saute the green onions, ginger and garlic until fragrant, then add the doubanjiang and stir fry until the red oil comes out, filling the air with aroma.
Add soy sauce, cooking wine, and water. Then put the fried fish back into the pot to start braising. Simmer over medium heat, occasionally spooning the sauce over the fish to enhance the flavor. Once the sauce thickens, add some sugar and vinegar to enhance the flavor. Then thicken the sauce with cornstarch to make it glossier.
The dish is ready. The braised crucian carp is bright red, the fish is tender, and the sauce is rich and fragrant. Take a bite. The fish is tender and juicy, melts in your mouth, and the sauce is savory with a hint of sweetness. So delicious. Braised crucian carp is not only tasty, but also rich in protein, making it especially suitable for postpartum and weak individuals. That's it for today's food sharing. If you liked it, remember to like and follow. See you next time.